Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove Assistive Touch to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. In here, tap on Assistive Touch. So tap on that to add or remove the shortcut from the menu. If there is a checkbox right next to it, it is added to the menu. So here, if I triple click on the side button to open up the accessibility shortcut, you can see I have Assistive Touch. And if I remove the checkbox here, then it will be removed from the accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove Assistive Touch shortcut to the accessibility shortcut menu. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.